Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I would like to teach you how to do poll votes on WhatsApp. Now, you would like to do poll votes on WhatsApp to get the decision of the many. And to be able to do that, of course, you have to be in a group. The poll vote is not really reasonable or logical to put in a private message between one-on-one. Therefore, it is typically being used in group chats or community chats. So to be able to add or to be able to have a poll votes, simply click on the paperclip icon below here as you can see, and you have the option poll. So simply select poll and enter the question that you want to be answered, enter the options to be answered, and you could also allow multiple answers if you want. I have made an example over here for what's for dinner, and people could check or could choose between the two options that you have selected. And then you could also, of course, view votes as you can see here. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.